All right, so let's look at the second example on logarithm of numbers less than 1. So let's look at this example. We are asked to evaluate this question with the use of logarithm tables. So how can we evaluate this with the use of logarithm tables? So the first number here is 4.762. So here, the characteristics is just 1. You subtract 1, that will be 0 point. Then we check 47 under 6 difference 2 using the logarithm tables. So we check 47 under 6. So let's look at logarithm tables. So this is the logarithm tables. So we are checking for 47 under 6. So this is 47, then under 6. This is under 6. So this 47 under 6. That will be 6776. Difference 2. 47 under 6. Difference 2. Difference 2 is 2. So we add 2 to this. That will give us 6778. So we come back to the table and we insert the answer 6778. This is the first one. Now the second one is 0.007853. We have three numbers before, we have 3 zeros before 7. That is, the characteristics is just 2. By the time you subtract 2, that will be 3. So we are having about 3. Or better still, just count the number of zeros here. This is 1, 2, 3. Then you are going to have your bar 3. Now point. So you now check 78 under 5 difference 3. So let's check 78 under 5 difference 3. So let's go to the table. This is 78 under 5. This is under 5. 8949. 8949. 78 under 5. Now difference 3. Under 5 difference 3. Difference 3 is 2. So we have 2. So by the time we add them, we are going to have 8951. 8951. Then we come back here and insert that. 8951. In between the numerator is multiplication. That is 4.762 times 0.007853, which means addition. So we need to add the two together. 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. Still carrying 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Still carrying 1. The one with minus 3. The one with minus 3 becomes minus 2, which is about 2. So this is your numerator. Now, the denominator is 0.0129. If you count the number of 0 we have, it is 1, 2, that is about 2 point. Then you look at the logarithm tables, you check 12 under 9 in the logarithm tables. So let's go to the logarithm tables now. 12 under 9. This is 12 in the logarithm tables under 9. This is 9. So we have this. This is 1106. So we go back here and insert 1106. And this is your denominator. So between the numerator and the denominator is division. And division in logarithms means subtraction. So to get our final answer now, which means the subtraction, which means the numerator minus the denominator. So we need to subtract. 9 minus 6 will give us 3. 2 minus 0, 2. 7 minus 1, 6. 5 minus 1, 4. Point. This is, no, we are subtracting, don't forget. Minus 2 minus minus 2. That will turn to minus 2 plus 2. That will give us what? 0. Since this is the last operation, but the next thing is to find the antilog of this last operation. That is, we check 46 under 2 difference 3 in the antilogarithm tables. So let's go to the antilogarithm tables to check for this. Antilogarithm tables. So your table 2 is your anti-logarithm tables. So we are checking for 46 under 2. This is 46 under 2. This is 2. This is under 2. That is 2897. 2897. Then difference 3. This is difference 3. Difference 3 is 2. So we add 2 to this. That will give us 2899. So we come back here and insert 2899. Now, this first number, like I always tell you, this first number is to indicate the position of the decimal point. So this is just 0. You add 1 to 0, that will be 1. It means the decimal point is going to be 1 decimal point. So the answer now becomes 2.899. What that tells us is that 4.762 times 0.007853 divided by 0.0129 give us 2.899. And that is the final answer. So this is the end of question 2. So in our next class, we'll be looking at question 3. Thank you.